Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. Leadership is not just about authority, strategy, or vision. It's about people. At the heart of every successful team, organization, or movement is a leader who understands the human connection that drives performance and fosters trust. Simon Sinek has taught us that great leaders prioritize understanding and supporting those they lead. They don't just manage, they care. Today, we're exploring the transformative power of leading with empathy. Empathy is not a soft skill, it's a critical leadership quality that builds stronger relationships, inspires loyalty, and drives meaningful change. In a world where people often feel unheard or undervalued, leaders who listen, understand, and act with compassion stand out. Together, let's uncover how leading with empathy can unlock potential, strengthen teams, and create environments where everyone thrives. Empathy in leadership builds trust and fosters deeper connections, creating a foundation for effective teamwork and collaboration. At its core, empathy is about understanding and sharing the feelings of others, and in leadership, this quality is invaluable. It allows leaders to connect with their team members on a human level, transcending the transactional nature of tasks and responsibilities. This connection is not just a nicety, it is a critical factor in building trust and forming strong, cohesive teams that thrive in both challenging and prosperous times. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, and it is especially vital in leadership. When people trust their leaders, they are more willing to follow, collaborate, and give their best efforts. Empathy plays a key role in building this trust because it demonstrates that the leader genuinely cares about the well-being and experiences of their team members. Leaders who take the time to understand their team's challenges, perspectives, and emotions show that they value their people as individuals, not just as workers. This creates a sense of psychological safety, where team members feel respected and supported, encouraging them to open up and contribute fully. When leaders approach their teams with empathy, they also foster a sense of belonging. In any team or organization, people want to feel like they are part of something meaningful, where their contributions are valued and their presence is appreciated. Empathy helps leaders create this environment by recognizing and addressing the unique needs and concerns of their team members. Whether it's acknowledging personal struggles, celebrating achievements, or simply listening to someone's ideas, these acts of empathy go a long way in strengthening the bonds between leaders and their teams. Deeper connections built through empathy also lead to more effective communication. Misunderstandings and miscommunications are common in any group, and they can quickly derail progress if not addressed. Empathetic leaders are better equipped to navigate these challenges because they actively listen and seek to understand the perspectives of others. This approach reduces conflict and creates a culture where open dialogue and constructive feedback are encouraged. When team members feel heard and understood, they are more likely to communicate openly and work together to resolve issues, leading to more productive and harmonious collaboration. Empathy in leadership also enhances the ability to manage and support diverse teams. In today's globalized and interconnected world, teams often consist of individuals from different cultural backgrounds, experiences, and viewpoints. Empathetic leaders recognize the value of this diversity and make an effort to understand and respect the unique perspectives of each team member. By doing so, they create an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best work. This inclusivity not only strengthens the team's cohesion, but also drives innovation and creativity, as diverse perspectives lead to new ideas and solutions. Collaboration is another area where empathy plays a crucial role. Effective collaboration requires trust, mutual respect, and a willingness to work together toward a common goal. Empathy helps leaders build these qualities within their teams by promoting understanding and cooperation. When team members see that their leader is empathetic and supportive, they are more likely to extend the same kindness and consideration to their peers. This creates a positive cycle where empathy begets empathy, fostering a collaborative culture where everyone works together effectively. Empathy also empowers leaders to identify and address the underlying issues that may be affecting their team's performance. For example, if a team member is struggling to meet deadlines, an empathetic leader will take the time to understand the root cause rather than jumping to conclusions or assigning blame. This approach not only helps resolve the immediate issue, but also builds trust and loyalty by showing the team member that their leader genuinely cares about their well-being. Over time, this trust strengthens the overall relationship between the leader and the team, leading to better performance and higher levels of engagement. Moreover, empathy helps leaders navigate change and uncertainty with their teams. Change is often accompanied by stress, anxiety, and resistance, as it challenges established routines and comfort zones. An empathetic leader acknowledges these emotions and provides support to help their team adapt. By showing understanding and compassion during times of change, leaders can alleviate fear and build confidence, enabling their teams to embrace new opportunities with resilience and optimism. Another significant benefit of empathy in leadership is its impact on morale and motivation. People are naturally motivated when they feel understood and valued. An empathetic leader creates this sense of value by recognizing the individual contributions and strengths of their team members. This recognition not only boosts morale, but also inspires people to go above and beyond in their efforts. When team members know that their leader cares about them and their success, they are more likely to feel a sense of ownership and pride in their work, driving higher levels of engagement and productivity. Leaders who practice empathy inspire loyalty and engagement by showing genuine understanding and care for the needs and perspectives of others. Empathy is not just an emotional quality. It is a practical tool that can transform the way leaders connect with their teams and create a culture of trust and commitment. In the workplace, where pressures, expectations, and demands are high, empathy becomes a cornerstone for fostering relationships that motivate people to give their best and remain dedicated to their shared goals. Loyalty is a valuable asset for any leader, and it is not something that can be demanded or coerced. It is earned through consistent actions that demonstrate care and understanding. Leaders who practice empathy take the time to listen to their team members, truly hear their concerns, and respond in a way that validates their experiences. This effort communicates to people that they are not just employees or contributors, but valued individuals whose feelings and opinions matter. When team members feel respected and understood, their sense of loyalty to their leader and organization grows stronger. Empathy also has a profound impact on engagement, which is essential for any team's success. Engaged team members are not just completing tasks. They are emotionally invested in their work and the outcomes they contribute to. When leaders demonstrate empathy, they create an environment where people feel supported and connected. This connection fosters a deeper sense of purpose and motivates individuals to bring their full energy and creativity to their roles. It allows them to move beyond a transactional approach to their work, finding meaning in what they do and the relationships they build along the way. One way empathy inspires engagement is through the leader's ability to understand and address individual motivations. Every person is driven by unique factors, whether it's professional growth, financial security, recognition, or the opportunity to make a difference. Empathetic leaders take the time to learn what matters most to each team member and tailor their approach accordingly. This personalized attention not only boosts morale, but also ensures that individuals feel seen and valued for who they are, rather than being treated as interchangeable parts of a machine. Another way empathy fosters loyalty and engagement is by creating a sense of psychological safety within the team. Psychological safety refers to an environment where people feel comfortable expressing themselves without fear of judgment or retribution. When leaders lead with empathy, they establish this safety by showing compassion, being approachable, and responding constructively to concerns or feedback. This atmosphere encourages open communication and collaboration, allowing people to share ideas, admit mistakes, and take risks without fear. As a result, the team becomes more innovative, adaptive, and united in its efforts. Leaders who practice empathy also build resilience within their teams, which further strengthens loyalty and engagement. Resilience is crucial in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, where challenges and setbacks are inevitable. An empathetic leader understands the stress and emotional toll that these challenges can take on their team members. By acknowledging these feelings and providing support, they help their team navigate difficulties with confidence and optimism. This support not only fosters a sense of loyalty, but also encourages individuals to stay engaged and committed, even in the face of adversity. Empathy also plays a key role in conflict resolution, which is an inevitable aspect of any team dynamic. When disagreements arise, an empathetic leader listens to all perspectives with an open mind and seeks to understand the underlying emotions and motivations driving the conflict. This approach not only helps resolve the immediate issue, but also strengthens relationships and reinforces a sense of trust within the team. It shows that the leader is invested in the well-being of all parties involved and is committed to finding solutions that benefit everyone. Furthermore, empathy helps leaders recognize and celebrate the achievements of their team members. Recognition is a powerful driver of loyalty and engagement, as it validates the effort and contributions of individuals. Empathetic leaders are attuned to the accomplishments of their team and take the time to acknowledge these successes, whether through words of praise, rewards, or opportunities for growth. This recognition fosters a sense of pride and appreciation, which deepens loyalty and motivates individuals to continue striving for excellence. Empathy also has a ripple effect, influencing the broader culture of the team or organization. When a leader models empathetic behavior, it sets a standard that others are likely to follow. This creates a culture of kindness, understanding, and mutual support, where team members feel comfortable helping one another and collaborating effectively. This culture not only enhances engagement but also reinforces loyalty, as people are more likely to stay in an environment where they feel valued and supported. By demonstrating genuine care for the needs and perspectives of others, leaders who practice empathy also inspire a sense of alignment and shared purpose. When people feel understood and respected, they are more likely to connect with the leader's vision and values. This alignment creates a strong emotional bond between the leader and their team, fostering a sense of unity and commitment that drives collective success.